Imagine transforming your space into a breathtaking home theater, every movie, game, or memory brought to life in vivid detail. The right projector doesn't just show images, it creates unforgettable moments. In this video, discover the best projector that captures hearts and elevates experiences. If you're ready for deeper connection and immersive joy, this could change everything. Number 1. AUBOR MENTECH Projector. Every ordinary night can turn into a powerful memory when the atmosphere feels right. Imagine watching your favorite stories unfold not on a regular screen, but through vibrant clarity that draws you in completely. This projector brings something deeper than visuals, it creates emotions. You feel closer to the moments, more connected to the people around you, and more alive in every scene. Whether it is a quiet evening with your partner, a family gathering under the stars, or a solo escape into a different world, the experience becomes more meaningful. You do not need a massive space or technical setup. It fits smoothly into your lifestyle, allowing comfort without compromise. Its structure feels thoughtful, like it was created to make people feel something rather than just watch something. It is more than watching a movie, it is about feeling like you are part of it. From the way voices sound to how every detail glows, it builds a complete emotional experience. It is easy to carry, easy to place, and easy to love. Whether outdoors or indoors, it adapts, it impresses, and it connects. There is something about being surrounded by sound and color that makes a regular day feel like a special event. This is not just about screen size or brightness, it is about creating a moment you will want to repeat again and again. When the lights dim and the story begins, everything else fades away. Number 2. HAPPRUN 1080p Projector. There is something deeply comforting about gathering with loved ones, letting a film wash over you under a quiet evening sky or in the heart of your own room. This projector brings that comfort to life in a way that feels personal and powerful. Every moment on screen feels closer, deeper, and more vivid, almost like stepping into the story instead of just watching it from a distance. The design invites simplicity while delivering emotional depth. It does not overwhelm with complexity, yet it transforms any wall into a place where memories can unfold. You might find yourself laughing harder, feeling more connected, or just enjoying the quiet presence of others nearby. It is not only about entertainment, it is about creating shared experiences that stay with you long after the credits roll. This portable projector adapts to your rhythm. Whether it is a quiet night indoors or an open-air gathering, it fits in naturally. Its sound draws you in, not just with volume, but with warmth. It blends modern convenience with the kind of emotional richness people seek in their downtime. From spontaneous movie nights to long weekends filled with stories, this tool supports your need for closeness, connection, and creativity. Every viewing becomes a chance to escape the noise of everyday life and enter a world crafted around feeling. You will not just see a difference, you will feel it with every scene, every sound, and every shared glance. Number 3. TMY 1080p Mini Projector. The TMY 1080p Full High Definition Portable Mini Projector invites you to turn ordinary moments into cinematic memories. Its upgraded design creates a picture that feels alive, filling your wall or screen with rich colors and clarity that draw you in completely. Whether you place it in your living room, bedroom, or carry it outdoors under the night sky, it transforms any space into a personal theater that makes time with family and friends unforgettable. This Bluetooth movie projector connects smoothly to your television stick, smartphone, or laptop, offering the freedom to enjoy stories the way they were meant to be seen. The included screen adds to the experience, making it simple to set up and begin your show without delay. Unlike crowded theaters, you can relax in your own space, stretch out, and let the scenes unfold without distraction. Designed for both entertainment and relaxation, this portable projector gives you the chance to relive cherished memories, share laughter, or dive into adventures that capture the imagination. Imagine hosting a cozy movie night indoors on a rainy evening, or creating a magical outdoor gathering where everyone sits together beneath the stars. It is not only about watching, it is about feeling closer to the people you love while enjoying every detail in vivid high definition. Owning this projector is more than adding another device. It is opening a door to experiences that stay with you long after the credits roll. With its balance of quality, ease, and portability, it becomes a companion that keeps entertainment alive wherever you go. Number 4. Polocsh Smart Projector. The Polocsh Smart Projector 1080p with 4K support invites you to step into a world where every detail feels more vivid, more alive, and more personal. Its brilliance brings stories to life in a way that makes your home theater or outdoor space feel like a gateway to unforgettable memories. When the lights dim and the screen comes alive, you will sense the magic of being transported into your favorite worlds without ever leaving your space. Crafted with advanced technology, this portable projector delivers an experience that feels effortless and immersive. The balance of clarity and smooth motion ensures that every frame carries emotion, drawing you deeper into the moment. Whether it is an exciting film, a live sporting event, or a shared family slideshow, the colors and images unfold with striking intensity, creating an atmosphere that feels far beyond ordinary. Its Wi-Fi 6 and two-way Bluetooth connectivity give freedom to pair effortlessly with your devices, letting you focus less on setup and more on enjoying each second. Indoors, it makes quiet evenings feel special, turning an ordinary room into a cozy sanctuary. Outdoors, it transforms gatherings under the night sky into celebrations filled with warmth, laughter, and togetherness. This mini projector is more than a tool for entertainment. It becomes part of your lifestyle, bringing people closer through shared experiences. Each use feels like an invitation to slow down, connect, and savor the magic of cinematic quality in your own surroundings. It is not just about watching, it is about creating moments that stay in your memory long after the screen fades to black. Number 5. Yaber Projector. The Yaber Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth opens the door to an unforgettable way of enjoying movies, shows, and events in the comfort of your own space. Its design is crafted to give you the feeling of a personal theater wherever you choose. Whether it is in the living room during a quiet evening or outside under the stars with family and friends gathered close, every moment becomes more than just watching. It becomes an experience filled with emotion, color, and clarity. Supporting 4K resolution, this portable projector transforms simple entertainment into something extraordinary. Images appear sharp, vibrant, and full of depth, allowing you to lose yourself in the story unfolding before you. With automatic focus and keystone correction, the view stays perfectly balanced, so you can relax and enjoy without distraction. The sound flows with power and richness, creating a true three-dimensional effect that surrounds you, making every scene feel alive. What makes it special is not only the technology but the way it brings people together. It has the ability to turn the regular night into a celebration, where laughter and conversation mix with the visuals on screen. It invites you to create lasting memories, whether you are enjoying an outdoor gathering in the backyard or hosting a cozy movie night at home. The Yaber Projector becomes more than a device. It feels like a companion for every occasion, giving you a chance to connect, share, and relive the joy of cinema in your own surroundings. Each use is an opportunity to feel closer to those you love while enjoying the beauty of a larger-than-life picture.